Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a gas mask and a lab coat. Well, that's because today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. Elephant toothpaste is a chemical reaction that happens with yeast and hydrogen peroxide. If you mix these two ingredients together, it makes so much foam that it'll squirt out of this bottle. So doesn't that sound super interesting? So let's get to it. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a quarter teaspoon, you're gonna need warm water, peroxide, an empty soda bottle, some yeast, and dish soap. So the first step you need to do, you need to grab a quarter teaspoon of yeast and mix it in the warm water. Then let it sit for 5 minutes so it can completely dissolve. And this is how much peroxide you're gonna need to put in the bottle. So remember to have your parents help you with this. So now we've mixed up the yeast and squirted the hydrogen peroxide in the bottle. Now it's time to pour the dish soap. You just want to give it a good squeeze in the bottle. Okay guys, so now it's time for the experiment. Do you think it'll work? I'm gonna pour the yeast now. Let's see what happens. Like nothing really happened. Looks like nothing happened. I wonder what happens if we put more yeast in there. Let's see. It's kind of coming up. Maybe we just need to swirl it around more. It's coming! Oh! This is amazing! At least adding more yeast helped. So I put the cap on it and shook it a little bit. Let's see what happens if I take the cap off. Ah! Ooh, it's hot. That was fun. Let's try it again. Ugh. Feels very empty. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's not an explosion anymore. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it and don't forget to like and subscribe.